Yo guys, so I just want to pick a trade right here that I want to show you guys based on this simple strategy. So when you look at 15-minute time frame on gold, we have this here as an order block. So I'm expecting market to push into this zone and then retrace back. So I'll be waiting patiently for this zone to be reached, and then if divergence form on the indicator here, then it's going to lead us to a sell gold. So let's wait patiently as market reach that zone. So guys, we are in the zone now, okay, and we have formed divergence here. Okay, so this is the divergence, and on indicator, so we are going to enter a position right here. Okay, so we are going to enter position with this amount of balance we have. So let's enter some position. So let's sell. How many position? Use 0.01 to add some. Good. So we have 0.06 open here. Okay, so we'll go and come back to check on this trade, and you see how powerful this trade is. Okay, so this is what we have. All right guys, let's go and come back to check on this trade right here. This may push up a little bit like this, and then to form head and shoulder. Okay, and then it will drop here. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so let's wait and see how this will go in our direction. Let's wait. So as you can see, we started moving into profit. Okay, it started moving into profit. So let's see how far this is going to move into profit. Let's wait patiently to see. Okay, let's wait. Good. Keep moving, let's keep patient. By the time price reach here, we are going to close this. Okay, we are going to close this. So let's wait patiently to see how far it will go. So a lot of manipulation came in, but we truly moved into profit. Okay, so we're still holding to this next zone here to see if we can take our profit out of this market. Okay, so as I told you in my one of my previous explanation video, I told you anytime you are in a divergence and you put a stop loss nearer to the zone that the divergence form, it may hit you out, but no matter how, that trade is going to come back to that direction that you've predicted, because divergence doesn't tell you a set point to enter market, but rather telling you market is about to reverse. Okay, so that is why I developed this full margin trading strategy. I just open it without stop loss till it reaches some maximum of loss before I can close it, because divergence is definitely going to reverse back into profit. It will just manipulate and do stop hunt. Okay, so let's patiently wait to see if this reach this zone. All right guys, so we have reached a place that I predicted that the market will reach, and it's reversing back. So let me close this. Okay, good. So this is exactly what I used to say. Those who watched that my video, I talk about that divergence will always play out. Even stop hunt will happen, but it will definitely play out. So if you have an account that you can give more buffer to a trade, you will be top of winning every single day. Okay, so this is how I predict the market, and more tutorial are coming. If you want to be learning, you can join my Telegram channel for learning purposes, and sometimes I drop signals there, so you can benefit from all those things. Goodbye, and see you in my next video.